You seem surprised.
Who are you? What happened here?
The world ended. Don't laugh it off, it did.
Oh, really? So how come I am here?
I'm fate, yours and the world's, here to tell you what went wrong. But depends how much to know you want, how much you want to act. Here I must give you two choices, one blue, one black. Black gives you crimes committed. Blue speaks of redemption alternatives.
What crimes are you talking about?
Don't get distracted. Choose you must to find out.
I'm sorry, I thought I saw nothing.
See you will alright. Choose now. Here you see the examples of the basic mistakes by all you advanced mammals. Polluting the ground, piling up the waste, wasting valuable resources.
But these are little things. Everyone does that.
Exactly, and so 7 billion people doing the same thing together. Oh, it's a crime alright. It's time for us to visit the map maker.
Who is that?
Someone who will make you understand. Look carefully, you might not get another chance. Here you find with the map maker a recorded history of humanity. Let's skip to the part which will give you a bit more clarity. It started with this, the heating of the earth, transportation, factories, blowing up smoke. Not to be left behind were the agriculture and forestry folks. But the biggest shot, of course, had to be the energy sector, contributing alone 35% to the collective greenhouse gas cloud. A single incandescent bulb by itself contributes 102 kgs of carbon dioxide per year, so it won't be surprising that this planet will be soon consumed here. Our Mother Earth, engulfed by the excess of these greenhouse gases, heats up more and more as time passes. And the temperature has since been on a constant rise, burning up the lands and melting all the ice, changing the climate and everything along. Once water is affected by sea level rise, somewhere floods and somewhere droughts, all the biodiversity will be swamped up, no carps and no trouts. Without water, the trees and the crops will all die, so to agriculture we can all say bye-bye. Gone with our crops will be our food, and soon enough our health too will begin to crumble, and all of us sooner or later as an effect of climate change will be reduced to rubble. And you ask me how one person is connected? Say a person uses a car that piles up smoke, leaves the fridge door open, or simply forgets to switch off the light bulb. All this, like our footprints in sand, leave behind their own carbon impressions which we need to understand. Do you now understand how?
But what should I do now?
Don't you remember? It's over.
Not yet.
There's nothing you can do. Come on, accept your fate.
Not yet.
I'm surprised humankind survived this late,
Not yet.
knowing its sins and still going the same way. Come on, give up.
No. I must try. I must find a way.
On how much you want to act. Here I must give you two options, one blue, one black.
What crimes are you talking about?
Don't get distracted. Choose you must to find out.
I'm sorry. I thought I saw nothing.
See you will alright. Choose now. Do you understand now?
I must prevent this. There has to be somewhere.
Hope. Try. Just like you did. Is the only thing that keeps us here. Carry on. In the little things, and one day, maybe, things won't be as bad. Keep trying. It's the only thing you have. Try on. Time to go.
Are where are you going? I'm going to start now.